Slam and Evan here to do a review of the Cash app, a tool you should have in your arsenal. It's a great place to save on purchases and to save some of your cash for the long term. So here it is. It's owned by Square, and Square is a company that was started by Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey, and he's a big fan of Bitcoin. So yeah, here's the interface here. It's pretty simple. It's like Venmo. You can move money around. You just type in the dollar amount and you request it or pay it to someone. And then when you can scan other people's QR codes on their phones when you're requesting money or sending it. And it's really simple cashless system for the masses. And then when you decide to get a card, you can go ahead and get a card, and this is where you can get discounts off various things. And you can activate these different boosts with these various vendors. And what's great about it is you can save money on things you like a lot. So yeah, and then my favorite part is when you park cash in here, you have the ability to buy stocks, to get exposure to stocks if you want. And then maybe not now is a good time, but maybe down the road. And then there's Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a great asset for long-term purchases, and you can see here you can buy in as little as $1 increments. There you can see the cost of using the Cash app to buy. So yeah, I think Bitcoin's a great place to start. So, and then here's the other interface of transaction history, and then linked cards and bank accounts you could use towards adding funds to the Cash app. So, and here we have the Bitcoin portion of the Cash app. This is the wallet where you can deposit or withdraw Bitcoin from. It's like a bank account. And here are the limits of which you could use. They just upped them. So if you need more than that, then there are other platforms which I will share in the future, how to get more out of Bitcoin than this. So yeah, and then you see the description about Bitcoin. It's decentralized, so if you have the money, you can move it anywhere you want, whenever you want, and nothing can stop it. That's one thing that's really great about Bitcoin is you can transact with whoever you want, along with just holding it as an investment. Here we have historical price action and return on investment for Bitcoin. Just like any other asset class, there are market cycles, but I still believe it's a great place to park cash, at least extra cash you have that's set aside for saving or investing. It's a great opportunity right now as it's in the early stages of a new bull market. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more crypto stuff. Share with your family and friends. This is the wave you're going to want to catch and ride.